and best wishes, Tita Gina and Tito Bong. God bless you.
Hello there, to Bong and Gina, soon to be Mrs. Agaloos. Congratulations to both of you. Thank you for being part on your special day. Hindi ko na pakakabain. I wish you all the best. May your marriage today be blessed for a lifetime and let the adventure begin. Kaya pa ba?
Hi Ate Gina, Kuya Bob. Happy wedding po sa inyong dalawa. Congratulations po. We love you. Mama.
Hi Beshi. Congratulations. And finally, nahanap mo ang the one. Basta happy ako for you. And best wishes sa inyo ni Bong. Galingan mo ha. Magparami ka pa, B. Joke lang. Sorry, hindi ako makaka-attend. Pero, just count me in. Alam mo na, basta happy ako for you. Congratulations again and good luck. I love you. Best wishes. Sige na. Sunod na rin ako. Joke. Bye. Hi, Ate G. Congratulations to your marriage. And finally, you find your true one. And we are happy for you. So, wishing you lots of love and a lifetime of happiness. God bless you both.
Hello po sa pinakamaganda ko Ninang, bumabati po from Australia. Congratulations po Ninang and Tito Bong.
Hi! This is your Tito Joe, OFW dito sa Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Best wishes and congratulations G and Bong. God bless! Bye!
Hello! Binabati ko ang aking kaibigan ng pinakamamahal na si Gina at saka si Sir Bong Agaloos. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa at naway pagpalaan kayo ng may kapal at mapapangit ang pagsasama. Ngayon, ako'y lubos na naninigayahan at kayo'y nagkasama na sa wakas. Maligayang party at congratulations again. Love you!
Congratulations! May God bless your union with love, joy, and unwavering faith. Wishing you a lifetime of happiness together. Congratulations on your wedding. Cheers to love, laughter, and happily ever after. Congratulations again. We love you!
Love you!
Hi, Neng and Bong! Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Alam kong matagal nyo nang hinihintay itong moment na to. So, wala na akong masyadong masasabi. Be strong, stay happy, and love each other for the rest of your life.
Hello ate, kuya, best wishes. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa ni ate.
Hi, Mami! Congratulations! May your marriage filled with endless joy.
Congratulations po Tita and Tito. Wishing you a lifetime of love.
We love you!
Hi, Ate and Kuya Bong. Ang message ko sa inyong dalawa is to put God center of your relationship and always love each other. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa.
Hello, Gina and Bong. Best wishes and congratulations. Ano pa yun? Masaya kayo na dyan. At miss you. We miss you too.
We love you.
We love you.
Hi Ate! Wish wishes sa inyong mga kasawa. Enjoy your life together. Ayan, natuloy na. Masaya ako para sa inyo. Love, love.
Grabe, sa sobrang tagal ng paghihintay nyo, ngayon matutupad na yung kasal nyo na sana all talaga. Sana all talaga. Woo!
Sana next year meron susunod. Charot!
Congratulations, Ate Gina and Kuya Bong.
Ayun na.
Ano pa ba?
Tuloy na, tuloy na.
Hindi mo kayo makakarating dyan, but our hearts and mind nandyan para sa inyo. Maraming salamat palagi sa suporta niyo sa amin.
Thank you.
Bye!
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Lolo Bong. Congratulations sa kasal nyo. I love you. I miss you. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Lolo Bong. Congratulations sa kasal nyo. Love you, miss you, Mama.
Hello, me. Hello, Tatay. So, first and foremost, congratulations po sa inyong dalawa. We are very happy po para sa inyo and congratulations. I hope na this brings you contentment and happiness for the rest of your lives po. Thank you rin po sa lahat po ng effort niyo po para sa amin, ni Kuya, ni Ate Jeng, na-appreciate po namin lahat. And we're happy to be here with you now to celebrate this milestone in your relationship po. So, I wish you both the best in your journey as a married couple, and I know the best has yet to come po para po sa inyong dalawa. So, congratulations and I wish you all the best.
Hi! Good evening everyone and sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng video na to. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko mag-start kasi hindi talaga ako magaling sa dedication. Pero I think I would like to take this opportunity na sabihin kung gaano ako ka-thankful and gaano ako kasaya na alam ko, finally, hindi kayo tatanda ng mag-isa at malungkot. And all I wanted to say is, sana mas ingatan nyo pa ang health nyo together and wishing you all the happiness sa mga susunod pang taon. So, congratulations and best wishes and good luck!